Hey, my name's May, and today I am going to share with you a couple little combos that I came up with that I think are just perfect for the fall season right now. I know I've been doing a lot of fall relevant videos, but what can I say? It's my thing. The first one that I tried is Girlfriend and Apple No. 3 Mist. These are just so nice together. Girlfriend has more of a Jolly Rancher kind of situation going on, and Apple No. 3 Mist is also doing something similar, like an Apple Jolly Rancher. Just putting them together, the apple enhances the berryness in Girlfriend. And I'm really here for it. I really like it. It's really youthful, but not in a way that's kind of like, girl, where'd you buy this perfume? What do you got on? Why'd your mother buy this for you? Not in that kind of way. It's in a much more fun kind of way. And so I highly recommend this one. Yeah. It's giving hard candy, fruity hard candy. It's just it's there. Anyway, so I do love these. I recommend them. The next pairing that I have for you is Pumpkin Swirl Cake and Vanilla Romance. It's goated, honestly, in my personal opinion. Because the vanilla, it's strongly vanilla, but it kind of has a little bit of like a floraliness to it, which does not compete with the gourmandness. I don't think that's a word, but the gourmandness of Pumpkin Swirl Cake. The floral, it just kind of enhances it. And I think that's kind of strange, but it's also really nice. And I'm starting to learn that some florals can actually make some gourmands a lot stronger and blend with them very nicely. That sort of matures the perfume, kind of makes the scent that comes off of it a little more mature, but not in a matronly kind of way. Not in like a antiquated sort of way. Sorry, that was my husband. He's cooking. I think he probably dropped something and the dog was about to eat something she shouldn't have. But I think we're good. I think we're okay because he did not continue yelling. Anyway, the Pumpkin Swirl Cake. Pumpkin Swirl Cake already kind of has a vanilla-iness to it with the butteriness that the gourmands tend to have. And Vanilla Romance, it's all about the vanilla. You put vanilla in cake. I don't know. It was just my thought process in trying to put these together. I'm like, what would make Pumpkin Swirl Cake smell even better? More vanilla. Like, that's how I bake. You know, what would make this cake taste even better? More vanilla. That's probably not how you're supposed to bake, but that's how I bake. And I think I bake pretty okay sometimes. My next combo, speaking of gourmands, we have hot cocoa and cream. And this is surprising probably to a lot of you, but Dahlia. Hot cocoa and cream and Dahlia together, so good. I never would have expected it. Hot cocoa and cream, it's a little more wintry, but with Dahlia in there, it comes across a lot more fall-like. I don't know. I really like it, and I will be wearing this. I will be wearing this. That is all I can say. Besides, it's good, and give it a try because it's surprisingly good. Now, the second to last combo that I have for you is Midnight Amber Glow and Gingham Glow. It wasn't just because they both have glow in the name, I promise. Mostly. It mostly wasn't because they both have glow in the name, I promise. Midnight Amber Glow, it's just such a sultry scent, and it tends to bring autumn to mind when I smell it. And Gingham Glow, it's much more summery, it's much more bright, but they balance out really well, and I think it's a great way to extend the usage of Gingham Glow. My husband's very sweet. He just came in and gave me food. I guess I didn't specifically say I'm recording. Please don't come in. I just said I'm recording. Well, I have a bowl of food here. Do you want to see what I got? It's an Every Plate meal. I'll leave my invite link in the description below if you want. But it's an Every Plate meal. It has rice and tamarind chicken with a creamy sriracha sauce on top. And okay, speaking of smelling good, this smells amazing. This smells so good. I wish you could smell it through the camera. Hold on, I'm gonna take a bite. I do like Every Plate meals because they're like the cheapest meal kit you can get out there, but the recipes are still really good. I love this. Okay, not sponsored, by the way. I promise it's not sponsored. I just really like them. That was really good. It was tangy with the tamarind, and then I like the creamy sriracha sauce. It wasn't as spicy as I'd like. I have some pickled serrano peppers that I might cut up and put on top or something. Back to the task at hand. In short, Midnight Amber Glow, sultry, gingham glow, very bright, summery. Put them together. It's a great transitional scent between summer and fall. It's a great way to continue to use your gingham glow. If you're the kind of person who wants your scents to reflect the season very strongly, wear what you want. Just wear the scent that you want. And if anyone has some problem with it, then that's really their problem, because like, who's going out here policing what perfumes people are wearing? Like, that's kind of unnecessary. It's kind of giving the kids left the house and I'm bored. You know, let's not embarrass ourselves. Wear what you want and let other people wear what they want. Anyway, love these. Give them a try. And the last combo I have for you is Dark Kiss, one of my favorites, and Into the Night, a recent purchase. And I don't really know how to explain it, beside that I know Dark Kiss has this kind of pepperiness that leads to this depth that I think of with darkness. And then Into the Night, did I really just think to pair these because of their names? Like, I'm starting to realize that maybe that might have been part of the reason why I thought to pair these together, and then just happened to realize that, oh yeah, they smell super good together. But they do smell super good together, but also Into the Night, like night, darkness, and then Dark Kiss. Go into the night to receive a dark kiss. That's the story. That's the story we're going with this one. And because it does come across very sultry, it's kind of mysterious, it's intriguing. If you want to smell intriguing, I do recommend this little combo because it elevates Dark Kiss just slightly. It adds a little bit of eleganza to it. Right at the tail end of that video, my phone died, but the video was over anyway. But anyway, I just want to say thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to the channel, and if you could leave me a comment in the comment section below, or even just like a little heart, I'd appreciate that so much. It helps the channel grow. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!